Earth and landforms. Time to warm up. We all live on the planet Earth. Do you know how it looks like? I will tell you. It looks like a globe. Time to know. We live on land. We grow food on land. We grow wheat, rice, fruits and vegetables. Our houses are built on land. Buses, cars, cycles and trains move on land. Land is not the same everywhere. There are different levels of land. Some of them were formed over millions of years and others were formed in a matter of hours. Plains. Plains are flat lands. Most people live in the plains. They grow plants like wheat and rice in the plains. Cities and towns are usually built on the plains. Hills. Some parts of land are high. They are called hills. The weather in the hills is cold. Roads on the hills are narrow and winding. It is difficult to grow crops here. Mountains. Very big hills are called mountains. They are often covered with snow. The weather is very cold here. When the snow melts, the water runs down to form rivers. Many fruit trees like apples, cherries, plums, and peaches grow on hills and mountains. Valleys. The land between two hills or mountains is low. It is called a valley. Many people live in valleys. Valleys look beautiful with flowers, green plants and animals. Deserts. A vast area covered with sand is called desert. We cannot find water here. Time to recall. We live on Earth. A globe is a model of the Earth. More than half of the Earth is covered with water. Plains are flat lands. Hills are high lands. Very big hills are called mountains. Many fruit trees are grown on hills and mountains. Time to answer. For formative and summative assessment, answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. What is the shape of our Earth? Which type of land is good for growing crops? From where do the rivers flow? What is a valley? Oral questions for FA. Circle the correct word. Hot questions. We live on trees, land, trains. Most people live on the flat lands called hills, plains, valleys. Fruit trees grow on hills, in water, in plains. Land between two hills is called a valley, plain, desert. Match the pictures with the names. Draw the following. Time to do project work. For formative assessment, collect pictures of plains, hills, valleys, mountains, deserts, etc. and paste in your scrapbook. Top tips for the teachers. Celebrate Earth Day. Help children make charts, posters, etc. on conservation of Earth. Display in the school assembly.